Congratulations on your admission to Arizona State University and the Fulton Schools of Engineering. My name is Professor Binod Starley, School Director for the School of Manufacturing Systems and Networks. We are one of 8 schools within the Fulton Schools of Engineering, but more importantly, one of very unique schools in the entire nation that really provides academic programs at the bachelor's and master's and PhD level in manufacturing engineering and robotics and autonomous systems engineering. These are 2 unique programs that you typically do not see in the entire nation. So congratulations on being admitted to the school, and hopefully you're excited to be part of the Sun Devil community. What I want to take in this quick opportunity is really highlight some of the unique aspects about our school and about our programs. Behind me, you will see this brand new building coming up at the ASU Poly campus on East Mesa, around the Gilbert Queen Creek area. A tremendous opportunity for students like yourself to experience advanced manufacturing equipment, to some of the smaller industrial robots to the larger industrial robots. And what we're really trying to cater to is really provide students with the knowledge and the skills needed to integrate knowledge within the manufacturing and robotics engineering space. We are seeing a tremendous resurgence of manufacturing here in the US. Over the last 10 years and possibly even the next decade or so, and we need engineers who can design new manufacturing systems, new robotic systems, who can integrate them into factories, or we can integrate them into our roads, into our houses, into our hospitals. And we need the integration of robotics engineering to design to the right software to be able to implement and integrate them in. Tremendous amount of resources available at the university level, at the engineering school or college level, as well as at the school level. Feel free to go to our website at msnengineering.asu.edu that you see up right up at the corner, as well as emailing us directly at msnadvising@asu.edu. So I can't wait to have you experience what the programs have to offer. And congratulations once again, and I can't wait to see you.